And the first thing I'm going to show you is the field analysis report. So it's just right under the reports icon. We're going to go to field analysis. I'm actually not going to run a new report, but I'll show you how to run one. So you just start the wizard, you pick your objects, and you tell which analysis you want to run, and then you save it, and Cloudingo will do that analysis. And when it's done, it will generate the report, and you can download it here. I'm going to pop up this report. Now let me explain to you what this report actually is. A field analysis report runs through your Salesforce instance and looks at all of the fields that are on the selected object. And it will tell you what the type of field is, what its length might be, but more importantly, it tells you how many records are actually using that field and the percentage used. And you can see over here, we've got some that are 100%, we've got some that are only at 75%. We've got a few down here that are only 1%. And as you scroll down, you see all of those fields. Now, why would this be useful? It's useful in a couple of ways. One, if you have fields that hold important data that are tied to your analytics, or perhaps more importantly, that are tied to your AI initiatives, but only a small or a limited percentage of your records actually have values in those fields, there might be some backfilling that you need to do. Another useful reason for this report is that if you just have really messy page layouts, or you have data that is split across multiple fields that could easily be consolidated into a single field, maybe with a pick list or something like that. There are ways of cleaning up those page layouts, reducing the number of used fields in Salesforce, particularly for some orgs. We work with a lot of clients where they're at the limit of available fields. I think typically it's 800 in Salesforce per object. That may sound like a lot, but I can't tell you the number of customers I've worked with who are actually at that limit, and they have to find ways when they need a new field to identify an old field that they could drop off of. So this analysis gives you that sense. Again, it does feed in a sort of indirect way into your data quality. So I would encourage you to run this periodically and just kind of get a sense for what fields you're using, what may be unnecessary, what you could do to clean up your page layouts, or to just free up some fields in your data set.